After the devastation of World War II, France faced the immense task of rebuilding its shattered economy, political institutions, and society. The post-war period also marked France's emergence as a key player in the Cold War, navigating complex alliances, decolonization struggles, and internal political shifts. This documentary explores France's transformation in the early Cold War years and its efforts to assert influence on the global stage. The aftermath of war, Reconstruction and recovery. Economic devastation. France's industrial infrastructure was heavily damaged by German occupation and wartime fighting. Marshall Plan aid. The United States provided crucial economic assistance to rebuild Western Europe, including France. Modernization efforts. The French government undertook nationalization of key industries and launched modernization programs to revitalize the economy. Political instability. The Fourth Republic, established in 1946, faced frequent government changes and political fragmentation. France and the Cold War, aligning with the West. NATO membership. France joined the North Atlantic Treaty Organization (NATO) in 1949 as a founding member, aligning itself with Western powers. Anti-communism. The French Communist Party was influential domestically, leading to intense political battles during the Cold War. Intelligence and espionage. France developed its own intelligence networks to counter communist and Soviet influence. Decolonization struggles. Indochina War, 1946 to 1954. France fought to retain control over Vietnam, facing a determined nationalist and communist insurgency led by Ho Chi Minh. Algerian War of Independence, 1954 to 1962. A brutal conflict that deeply divided French society and politics. Challenges to empire. These wars highlighted the limits of France's colonial power and its struggles during the Cold War. Charles de Gaulle and the Fifth Republic. Political crisis. The instability of the Fourth Republic culminated in the Algerian crisis. De Gaulle's return, 1958. Charles de Gaulle returned to power, founding the Fifth Republic with a stronger executive. Independent foreign policy. De Gaulle sought to assert French independence from both the US and USSR, developing nuclear capabilities and pursuing a distinct path in NATO. France's role on the global stage. European integration. France was a founding member of the European Coal and Steel Community, a precursor to the European Union. Cold War diplomacy. France balanced its NATO commitments with efforts to engage the Soviet bloc. Cultural influence. French intellectual and cultural life flourished, influencing Cold War-era thought. Legacy of post-war France. Economic growth. The Trente Glorieuses, 30 glorious years, saw rapid economic expansion and rising living standards. Political evolution. The Fifth Republic provided greater stability and shaped modern French governance. Cold War positioning. France remained a critical Western power with a unique voice during the Cold War. France's post-World War II journey was one of recovery, political transformation, and active engagement in Cold War dynamics. From rebuilding its economy to navigating decolonization and asserting an independent foreign policy, France's story is a testament to resilience and adaptation in a divided world.